Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in the new year of 2019. I feel like a lot of people are trying to lose that holiday weight, get back in shape. More importantly, also trying to help their carbon footprint. And I decided, you know, why not take the opportunity to watch a YouTube video and steal the idea. So I'm going off the recipe that Julien Solomita, is that how you say his name? Solomita? He recently did a video making a vegan breakfast sandwich using just egg, gluten-free biscuit. Alana's cutting out meat right now, and I figured while she's still at work, I would make her this breakfast sandwich. First off, big fan of Jenna and Julien. I listen to the podcast. I watch, obviously, their channels, so I'm really excited. And honestly, I've always wanted to try vegan products, like, you know, meatless stuff. Like, I feel like I've had such a hit and miss, love-hate relationship with that kind of stuff. So yeah, I figured why not try something new? That's what we do here. First thing we gotta do is make the gluten-free biscuits, and on top of that, vegan as well. Preheat the oven to 425. Science. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, xanthan gum, salt, and baking powder. Oh, first we gotta cube it. That's cheating. Okay. We gotta freeze the butter. I don't know how long that's supposed to take. We can't use butter, so we're gonna do Earth Balance soy-free made with olive oil buttery spread. It's a buttery spread. Great buttery taste. What?
Never heard of that. Full disclosure, haven't heard most of these things.
Oh, really?
Yeah, not vegan.
Well, no, I mean, I've heard of some things like the Impossible Burger and stuff.
Well, oh yeah, that.
6 tablespoons of butter. Ugh, I hate it just as much as I hate touching butter, so there you go. It's just as uncomfortable to touch as traditional animal butter. Milk in a yak ain't pretty, but if you pick the little hairs out.
And once you pick the hairs out, it's very nutritious.
Better at it than me. That was 3, right?
Yeah, pretty sure.
How many does this make? Should I be having this? 8 servings. Okay, yeah, we're gonna just do this in halves. So 3. It's okay that they're not uniform, right? Like, I'm mixing this into stuff.
Yeah.
I don't want like 6 spheres. I had to fight my restaurant impulse to do that.
Yeah, no.
So now we gotta freeze. We gotta freeze this so it can be cold. I'm getting butter everywhere. Ah, that happened. Now, in a large bowl, wicks together. Schmurger.
What's your favorite part of cooking?
I'm quite the whiskin wizard.
Mm-hmm.
We're having everything. Remind me, because I'm gonna. Ew, I got butter on my finger. 1 cup of all-purpose.
What the hell?
You gotta make sure your hands are dry. I'm dealing with dry products. Don't judge me. You're here to film, not judge.
You're right.
1 cup gluten-free, all-purpose. Wow, which was a surprisingly difficult thing to find. Oh, look how perfect that looks. I like flattened it with my hand like an expert. Like an Subscribe! Half a teaspoon, half a tisp of xanthan gum.
Xanthan.
Xanthan? There's no I. Xanthan.
Xanthan?
I don't know what this is. I think it's just a bonding agent, because I don't think you could chew this.
I would not.
Half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Is that a thing?
Should be.
Oh, it's so cute! Look how tiny it is! Just a little bit of baking powder. That's gonna be our little secret. We gotta whisk this together and then throw in the butter mixture.
When the butter's in there, just for your sanity's sake, I think he did a spatula.
Stirring like a champ. How long should we wait until the butter gets cold? Do you know anything about that?
Do I? No.
Siri, how do you freeze butter?
Here's what I found on the web for how do you freeze butter.
The next time you see butter on sale, buy an extra supply and freeze it. Thanks, the internet. I think it's fine, it's cold.
Should be fine,
It was
yeah.
in the fridge. It's cold-ish. Use a pastry cutter to cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse cornmeal. What did any of that mean? I'm doing this.
Yes.
What's a pastry, like scissors?
No, the flat metal scraper thingy.
Do we have one of those?
I do.
Oh, you do? What am I doing with this? I just start doing that to this? So don't use this.
I wouldn't use that, no.
This.
Yes.
Start it.
Yeah, I would just start tapping it, like folding it.
Like a sweat.
Like a shirt, yeah.
So yeah, essentially this sandwich, it's a vegan egg and sausage gluten-free biscuit sandwich with like a sriracha aioli. How do I know when I've completed my task? It just turns into other things. I've just coated butter with dust. That's all I'm doing.
So you're getting there.
Why would I make the butter cold? Wouldn't it be smarter to make it warm?
No, because then it would melt and it would mix. I understand its power now.
I'm not ready. All this pressure. All right, supposed to be 3/4 cup of milk for 8, but we're just gonna focus on having this. So we need 1.5 of these. There's no science in art. There is an art to science though. Should I whisk this?
Yes?
What am I doing with this? Why does it look like boogers?
I was thinking, that was
It's too flaccid and now it's stuck inside the bird cage. Bird box. Bird cage. I love that movie.
Oh god.
Hello, old friend.
Be gentle. You don't want to destroy the butter clumps.
I thought that was the whole point.
No.
Fine. Ew, it's sticky. I'm a big texture person and I feel like today's only gonna keep hurting me on a sensory level. I did this all wrong. Why did you let me use this? You recommended this to me, saboteur.
For your sanity's sake, I think he did a spatula.
Scoundrel. I hate it.
For your sanity's sake, I think he did a spatula.
I think I should have just stuck to that spatula. I'm just losing flour at this point. I hate touching it. I'm not bothered by too many things. Ghosts scare me. I don't talk in public bathrooms.
So you're fine with clowns now then?
That's on a whole nother level for a whole nother video. Subscribe. It's a little dry.
Oh, yeah, maybe some more.
It's like a splishy splash?
Yeah.
Now what do I use to mix this?
For your sanity's sake, I think he did a spatula.
I just need you to grab that for me.
Okay.
My sleeve. Ensure all the flour is moistened. Form the dough into a ball and knead about 10 times in a bowl.
I get that, yeah.
So I'm forming this into a ball now. Ew, it's wet! Oh, it's sticking to me! I'm in hell! It's cold! I hate this. I gotta do this with my hands.
Yes, you do.
It's like someone already ate the biscuit. Oh, it feels like poop. It's duty in here. So what am I doing?
Yeah, so like you're pressing it out and then folding over, rolling.
In the bowl.
That's what it said.
Oh, it's just making such a mess. I'm not doing this right.
Let me know when you want me to step.
Never!
Okay.
No one can say that Bill needed help from anyone. Hold that camera. I can't fold it. It's just a mess.
Do you want some flour?
Should I be doing that? See, now I can knead it. Look at that. It smells like, and it feels like I'm touching the inside of a pumpkin.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
That's nice.
That's gonna be a biscuit soon.
Good job.
I need something to put this on. This one's gonna be the thick one. Ooh. Boom. There's our biscuits. Was I supposed to do anything else?
No, those look good.
Place biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet and refrigerate for 30 minutes uncovered before baking. So I should turn off the oven.
Yes.
All right, so then we're gonna put these in the freezer?
Fridge.
Set a timer for 30 minutes.
Your timer is set for 30 minutes.
I know that, Siri. I don't need a receipt with my
You're
transactions.
so pushy.
All right, it's been 30 minutes. And now we're gonna let our Bill's beautiful biscuits, gluten-free, we're gonna slide them in the oven. So everyone, welcome back to my oven. Hi, how are you? Siri, start a timer. That was scary. Siri, start a timer for 15 minutes. So first things first, we gotta repurpose these links into patties. I did manage to find hot Italian, Beyond Meat, Beyond Sausage links. Yeah, there's no casing,
Oh,
so
good.
I just have to form it, right?
Yeah.
Boom. Oh God, now it's stuck. Oh God, now it's stuck. We're fine. We're fine. That smells really good.
And I had the thought too, it's like, oh no, we gotta clean the thing after. It's like, but we don't, because it's not meat.
It's not even meat.
It's not meat.
It's leaving a weird color on my hands though.
It'll happen.
All right, we're gonna let that happen. So we're just gonna take a little bit of our earth balance. That's too much.
That's too much butter.
We're gonna take a little bit of our earth balance, just like you would with eggs. We're just cooking it the same way we would with eggs. I use olive oil normally, but this is made with olive oil, so nailed it. So I take one of these and just stick it on the pan.
Yeah.
Shake well, scramble like an egg. Made from plants. And we're just gonna pour it in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Smells like mayo. I mean, should I season it?
Yeah, you good. It's egg.
This is, I don't know why I'm so like, eggs. I know how to do this. Let's throw these bad boys on. And while that's starting, I'm gonna do it like kind of like we do with cheeseburgers and put the cheese on it. Per the instructions in Julien's video, we're doing follow your heart American style slices. Yeah, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, non-GMO, soy-free.
That looks good to me. The egg tongs probably. He said in the video that it would be runny because it's vegetable. Look at that.
It looks like applesauce. I mean, it smells good so far. Ooh.
That looks good.
Very clean, my guy.
Looks good.
Like, come look at this. Like, look, there's like juice coming out of it and everything on this one. You can see it a lot there. Isn't that nuts? That was a full flip. That's not what I meant to do, but yes it is. There, see how that's looking a little more brown?
Nice.
Yeah, look at that. Like, listen to that. That sounds like I'm making meat right now.
It looks like sausage.
Right? Ooh, those look like biscuits. Damn.
Nice.
They made full biscuits. You're right. We could have just put these in half. There's cheese on there.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh god. Oh god. It's golden brown on one side and messy on the other side.
Fine.
A couple scoops of vegan mayo. A hit of sriracha. And then apparently you just do a little bit of maple syrup. Is this vegan? Yeah, we're good.
Ooh. Those look like biscuits.
That's dope. I mean, it's gluten-free. It's not an imitation biscuit.
Still though.
Damn. A little bit of our sauce on there. Boom. And boom.
Nice.
Look at that.
Nice.
That's not bad looking.
Looks good.
Oh.
It smells good in here too. No? You don't like the smell?
It smells a little burnt.
It's not. So you're gonna try it?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's really good.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Like the texture is almost perfect on the sausage. The cheese tastes like cheese. The sauce is really good. And like the biscuit, it's the right kind of texture for me because I don't like shortening. This
Yeah,
is
biscuit is really perfect.
this is really good.
That tastes just like sausage.
Like the only thing is I feel like because the texture's a little off because it feels like a light sausage, I feel like someone would tell. I couldn't just serve this to someone and be like, here's my pork product. But it tastes really good. Like, this tastes legit.
Mm-hmm.
Almost like a diner or fast food, like classic like biscuit sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that tastes like.
That tastes like sausage.
I have no idea that's not sausage. If you said, hey Michael, let's make breakfast food, I'm like, this is a weird idea, let's go.
Nothing special about this.
Like that tastes like sausage. The cheese, can I try this piece of cheese?
Yeah, go ahead.
Vegan people, if I ever offended you, I don't think I did. I'm not that much of a dick, but that's really good.
The egg's not real either.
Yeah.
That feels like eggs in my mouth. Like, yeah, this could definitely trick me into thinking that it's real. It's just the texture's just slightly off, but it tastes really good. Like, it's just made well. So I feel like that's 3 S's.
Yeah.
I'm super into it. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. The Beyond sausage tastes really good. I love the flavor and I love this recipe. If somehow you ever watch it and make it this far, thank you, Julien. Like, this is really good. And for like my first time trying to cook vegan and then also trying to eat like meat substitutes and also egg substitutes, like this is
Cheese substitutes?
yeah, like this was a great way to introduce me into vegan food because I don't feel like it's just lettuce and soy products. But I could definitely do this like every once in a while for like a special meal or something if I were to try to cut out animal product. There you guys go. Please, if you think of another vegan product or recipe you want me to try, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like the video if you did, subscribe. Thank you again to Julien for making the video. I hope somehow this gets to you. Yeah, just egg and Beyond sausage. Good job. Earth balance as well for the mayo, you know, bravo, bravo. Yeah, if there's something else you want to see me make, let me know and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh God, it just pooped on my hand.